Welcome to Social Work Updates.
In this video we are going to talk about what is counseling. Many people will, at some point in their lives, find themselves in the role of a counselor without having a true understanding of the concept of counseling or what the role of the professional counselor entails. There is a big difference between a professional counselor and a person who uses some counseling skills as part of their role, for example as a friend or colleague. A professional counselor is a highly trained individual who is able to use a different range of counseling approaches with their clients. Counseling can be a confusing term. It often has different meanings for different people. According to the Concise Oxford Dictionary, 9th edition, gives at least two definitions of counseling, which appear to be conflicting, adding to potential confusion. Counseling give advice to a person on social or personal problems, especially professionally. And the process of assisting and guiding clients, especially by a trained person on a professional basis, to resolve especially personal, social, or psychological problems and difficulties. As a simpler definition, the UK's NHS website defines counselling as a talking therapy that involves a trained therapist listening to you and helping you find ways to deal with emotional issues. There are therefore a number of aspects to counseling. For example, it is important that the counselor is trained. It is also important that the process is about helping you to find ways to deal with your problems, rather than giving advice or telling you what to do. There are a number of things that it is generally agreed that counseling is, and a number of others that it is not. Counseling is the process that occurs when a client and counselor set aside time to explore difficulties which may include the stressful or emotional feelings of the client. The act of helping the client to see things more clearly, possibly from a different viewpoint. This can enable the client to focus on feelings, experiences, or behavior, with the goal of facilitating positive change. A relationship of trust. Confidentiality is paramount to successful counseling. Professional counselors will usually explain their policy on confidentiality. They may, however, be required by law to disclose information if they believe that there is a risk to life. Counseling is not the following: giving advice, being judgmental, attempting to sort out the problems of the client, expecting or encouraging a client to behave as the counselor would behave if confronted with a similar problem in their own life, getting emotionally involved with the client, looking at a client's problems from your own perspective, based on your own value system. Like coaching, counseling is rooted in the principle that individuals can help themselves, provided that they receive the right kind of support. A counselor is not there to tell their clients what to do, or how to do it, but to help them work out for themselves what they are going to do, and the best approach to take. It is, therefore, very individual and person-centered, and those who provide counseling need to remember that above all.
And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more social work updates, please visit my YouTube page, hit the bell and subscribe.